In this video, we will talk about 4 points. How can we produce less waste? Advocate recycling, composting, and degradable plastics and problems. So back to the first point. How can we produce less waste? The first method is to ditch the plastic bags. One of the simplest ways to decrease the amount of waste you produce is to use reusable bags while shopping. Instead of relying on your supermarket plastic bags, bring your own closed ones to pack up your items and tote them home. The second method is to make a meal plan. It is a common sense that when people finish eating in the restaurant, there will be always lots of food left on the desk. So a proper meal plan is very necessary to decrease the food waste. You need to know how much you can eat, how much you can't eat. The third method is to start relying on reusable containers. If you buy loose food items from farmers markets or bulk bins at stores like Whole Foods, reusable containers are especially important to have in your kitchen. Using reusable containers can help you save a lot of product. The fourth method is to learn to repair rather than discard. So, buying a few high-quality items and repairing them when necessary is so much better for the planet than buying lots of cheap, disposable stuff. So every time when something broken, the first method you need to try is to repair them, not to discard them. The fifth point is to cancel unnecessary purchasing. So people always buy something they don't really need in the market. This is actually kind of way of the product waste. If you want to decrease the things you waste, you need to know how to cancel unnecessary purchasing. Okay, the next point we are talking about is advocate recycling. And these are recycling steps. Collecting and sorting discarded materials by type. Taking the materials to a recycling facility. And cleaning the discarded materials so that they can be shredded or crushed. Reusing the shredded or crushed material to manufacture new products. In this way, we can sell the new product to consumers, which can be a recycle step. The third point we're talking about is composting. Okay. Composting biodegrades organic matters. For example, the food waste, leaves, paper, and wood. Composting is a natural biological process. In this process, various microorganisms, including bacteria and fungi, break down organic matters into simpler substances. The effectiveness of the composting process is dependent upon the environmental conditions present within the composting system, such as oxygen, temperature, and moisture. Composting is relatively simple to manage and can be carried out on a wide range of scales in almost any indoor or outdoor environment and in almost any geographic location. Okay, the first point we are talking about is degradable plastic problems. The main problem with degradable plastic is that the plastic parts are only reduced to smaller pieces, not eliminated. Degradable plastic can help reduce the harmful effects that plastic litter has on animals in the environment. So although this type of the plastic can help reduce the harmful effects of plastic litter, the plastic itself will remain just as long as regular plastics.